Hey there guys, welcome to another video. So in today's video we'll be taking a look at a couple of products from Cellhelmet, and if you don't know who they are, they were actually featured on Shark Tank back in 2013, so pretty cool. So the products that they sent me here are a fast wireless charger with 10-watt smart Qi certified charging. They also sent me a altitude series case for the iPhone 11. They also sent the Distek Max screen cleaner as well as liquid glass screen protection. So pretty cool here. The first product we'll be taking a look at today is the Distek Max screen cleaner. So let's go ahead and get into it. Alright, so checking out the package real quick here. We do have their branding here. You can see we have a bottle of solution as well as a microfiber cloth. On the front here it does tell you it's 70% isopropyl alcohol and it is made in America. On the back here it does tell you it says maximize your clean with Distek Max for glass displays only, streak free, 70% isopropyl alcohol, and made in America. So let's go ahead and take a look at what we get in the package here. Alright, so in the package here we do get the bottle of solution. So this is 30 milliliters right here. We do get a microfiber cloth to clean it, to clean your screen. And it looks like it has two different textures on the microfiber cloth. And we also get a little instruction guide. So you do have a QR code here, and you do have their social media right there. So I'll leave that link below if you do want to check them out. So the directions here are simple. Power off your device, remove it from any power source, and spray the Distek Max screen cleaner directly into the microfiber cloth. Gently wipe the screen with microfiber cloth until clean and dry. So I do have two phones here. So I have a Galaxy S7 active. This one has just its glass screen, no screen protector whatsoever, and it is smudgy. And we also have my iPhone 11. This is my main phone, and this one does have a glass screen protector on it. So we'll go ahead and try it on both and see how well it works. So here is the before right here. So quite smudgy there. We're just going to open it up here, spray. 3 sprays on there, and let's clean it off. So I just tried it once and it did leave a couple little streaks on here, so I'll go ahead and try it again and make sure I do it right this time. So could be me. So there's two sprays on here. And there you go. Yeah, so that is a perfectly nice streak-free shine right there. So yeah, that was my fault. I didn't spray enough of liquid on there, or I just didn't use the cloth right. So let's go ahead and try it on the glass screen protector. So here is the before right there. And we'll spray a couple more. And I know my phone is nasty, so alright, still a couple streaks, so alright, looks pretty good to me. Now I do have a nick in my screen protector right there, so unfortunate, but yeah. So what's great about this having isopropyl alcohol in it is it'll clean up germs and that kind of thing. So this is especially helpful during COVID times because we need to keep our stuff clean, especially considering the circumstances. Now I know it says it's for glass only, but I do want to try it on plastic just for fun. This is a cheap cell phone I got. This is a TCL A1. You've probably seen the video on this, and it's quite smudgy. So I'm going to try it on here and see how well that works. So spray a little bit more on there. And it's not even really a plastic screen protector. It's kind of one of those weird bubbly protectors. So, and this is applied from them. Kind of weird. So, yeah, still seems to work. So this is not the fault of Distek Max. It's just a terrible screen protector that's on here. But hey, it still worked. But yeah, so follow directions. Obviously, don't use it on this. It is for glass only. All right, here's one final test. So obviously, you can see me in the reflection here. But this is my iPad Pro. This one gets pretty dirty too. I'm not sure if you can see the smudges and stuff, but it does get pretty grimy. It does get pretty gross. So we'll go ahead and try it on here on a bigger canvas just to give it another try here. So I'll give it 2 more sprays here. And this one also has a glass screen protector as well. All right, yeah, that made a huge difference. So absolutely beautiful, just like new. And there is the iPad in all of its glory, perfectly nice and clean. All right, guys, so there you have it. So this is Cellhelmet's Distek Max screen cleaner. This is offered on their website for $11.99. If you are interested in checking that out, I'll leave a link down below for that. Really nice, 70% isopropyl alcohol, great for cleaning your screens during these times, and a nice pocketable size. So you get this and the microfiber cloth for $11.99. You can bring this anywhere you want and then clean your screen to your heart's desire. Anyway, guys, hope you enjoyed this quick video on Distek Max. If you did like this video, hit that like button. If you want to see more like this, consider subscribing, and I'll see you guys in the next one.